Testing. Okay, now you can hear my audio. Okay, good. Hold on. I don't think. Oh yeah, there's a couple of you. Okay. So hopefully you can hear me now. Okay, cool. So, testing. Okay, cool. Now you should be able to at least hear me. So to do this, go to getsupers.com and then click on the right hand side, click on private device, and you'll see like a download APK button. Download APK button on getsupers.com. So you're going to download that. And then you got to get it on like your Android somehow. So you can like email it to yourself or send it and things like that. Or just download it directly from the Android. Just go to getsupers.com on the Android. That's faster. Go to getsupers.com on the Android and just download it. And as soon as you download it, it'll ask you to install like unknown sources, give it permission. So I'm going to go through that process now. I didn't really go through that process before, so let me just go through that. Hold on. So I'm going to install it on my phone now. You can kind of see what's happening from cold start. So it's an Android Moto G Play. And okay, so it's been reinstalled, and the first thing it's going to do, it's going to ask you, do you want to start recording or casting, like you're recording the screen? And the reason it does that is because it needs like it takes screenshots so that you can control the Android. So click start. And then click, it's going to ask you for accessibility settings next. And the reason it does that is because it needs to like control the clicking of the keyboard and mouse on the Android to control it. So you want to give permissions to the app, which is called Superpowers Private Stream, and click allow and enable. Alright, and then so now you've enabled, given it access to control your Android. Okay, so and you'll have this little app here like this. So I've just installed the APK at getsupers.com. You can go to it on your Android and install it directly. And once you have this little streaming app on the Android device, it lets you control your Android basically using our website with voice commands and things. So now I need to enter this code. So you can see there's a code on my screen. So I'm sharing the stream on the YouTube one, and Spaces I'm just kind of like showing you. I just need to enter that there. So I need to enter the code there. Oh cool, I can see it here. Thanks. So to do that, you just click it, and then Android has this like little square, this feature in the keyboard that lets you like scan text. Scan text. So I'm going to scan the little code there. And the hardest part about this is sometimes like the case of what I scan is like it's a lowercase or uppercase or something. So I just have to look at it and see how close it is. That's good. All right, and then click connect. Oh, it says room not found. Hold on. Let me. Oh, it's an I, not a J. Okay, so I have to change the I to a J. WUSBOSYJLF. Okay. JLF. There's an extra thing here. Okay. It worked. Okay. So then what happens is it minimizes the app and immediately starts streaming it. So you can see it kind of streams it like this. So you have like control over the app here. So I'm going to put this down. So I don't need to control that anymore. Now we control it from the website or your Vision Pro or your glasses or the iPhone app, whatever you like to use. Most people will probably use like the iPhone app or the website. So this is cool now because you can actually control it with voice commands. So I have it. I have the website muted right now. I'm gonna enable it because it's gonna respond to me. It's kind of funny. And then I'm gonna go through like some demos and things. So.
That sounds great.
Hey, Super, how's it going?
Hey there. Everything's going smoothly on my end.
You hear me?
Yes, I can hear you loud and clear.
Oh, my microphone. Okay, okay. Hey, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you loud and clear. Let me know what you'd like to do next.
Hello, testing, Super. Hey, Super, can you hear me?
I can hear you. Let me know if you need help with anything specific.
Okay, I think my microphone is being used by like OBS or something.
Understood.
Oh, that's what I did. Oh no, okay, okay.
I'm here if you need any help.
Let me see how to fix this.
Take your time. Just let me know when you're ready. Take your time.
Anyways, that's kind of like how you do it.
Got it. Just let me know if you need any assistance with something specific.
Oh, yeah, yeah. You can hear me in the Twitter Spaces. Anyways, what I'm trying to do is get you to show you how to like set things up in the Cloud Agent. Okay, so that's basically how you set it up. You can connect to it. I'll set it up again. Hold on. Let me connect to it again.
All right.
I'm like using a bunch of microphones across
Understood.
OBS and things, so I guess it can't hear me, so it's fine. But then you can control it using like the voice commands, like in my demos and things like that. Oop.
Understood. I'm here if you need any help with commands or navigating the tool.
Connect to it again.
If you'd like to connect to an
ARTLCJGQIZ8.
If you're ready to connect, I'm here if you need any guidance. Feel free to let me know what you'd like to do.
Okay.
Whenever you're ready, just let me know what you'd like to do next, and I'll assist you with the right commands.
Oh, lowercase k. Yeah, the hardest part about this is sometimes it's like lowercase or uppercase.
I get. No problem.
You can just like regenerate the code if you mess up too much.
Exactly.
Do that.
Absolutely. And I'm here to help. Just. Sure. I'm here to help whenever you're ready. Just let me. Take your time. No rush. Just let me know when you're ready to move forward.
Not a lowercase issue.
I'm here and ready to assist.
So anyway, we had like a cool demo today actually. Oh, connected again. Okay, cool. So, I mean, you can kind of see that it's like remotely connected and streaming. And then you get access to like, log into your own devices. The cool part about this is you control your own device, so it's already all logged in. You can keep it, like you can revoke authentication. You can automate all the apps you already use and things like that. Like we can automate X and Reddit and things.
Right.
Yeah. That's pretty much the demo. So what I was saying is today we had a cool demo with one of like the accelerators in San Francisco, which is exciting. We didn't actually demo the product to them. They were just more interested about like talking to us about like the business and like our understanding of the market, because it seems like we're further ahead than a lot of like the other wearable startups in the space, or like we've been doing this for a while. So we like started maybe like a few months ago. And we were building like Claude code for non-technical people, really. But our idea was more like real-time ambient coding agents and things, not like OpenClaw, basically. So I think you can see like gross keyboard. Sorry. Here. For Twitter Spaces, I gotta hold up the phone. I gotta remember to hold up the phone. So yeah, we had a cool demo today, and it went pretty well. Like it was only like the demo was only supposed to be like 10 minutes, but we stayed for like 30 minutes or something, because they had like a ton of questions about what we were doing, and I think we probably have some like very deep, interesting insight, because we've been like building the UI UX and things like that. So one of the cool things, for example, on the UI UX that we're gonna do next is, you see how like there are all these powers here? So you can actually like, you can click these things. Let me see if I can, hold on.
Sure. If you'd like.
Open Chrome. Oh, not that one. Open. No. Anyways, you can click these things and it triggers them. Let's see, like Starbucks, or it triggers them in the iOS version anyway. But that's not really like intuitive, right? You got to search through this huge list that will just get to like thousands of things, and that's probably why Amazon Alexa failed. Is like you don't know what all the options are, and they expected you to buy things, so you can't really see what you're buying. That's kind of hard to do. So next, I think in the next update, we're gonna do something cool with hands, because if you imagine glasses, we're gonna start with phones, and we're trying to like time the launches of glasses with Apple and Google. It might happen this year or next year probably. And with glasses, you can't use your hands to touch the screen, or you can't push buttons, and you can't click things. So everything kind of has to be from voice and vision and your hands. So Apple Vision Pro is actually really good. They kind of solved it basically, because they track your eye where you're looking, and you can kind of click, but I don't think the glasses will do that. So we need to figure out some way to like intuitively navigate on all glasses somehow. And so one thing I think we can do is we can use these, like, you can see how we're tracking my hands. So the problem here is like we don't know what all the options here are. We can do a lot of things like order Starbucks and things like that. And when you order Starbucks, how do you know like what all the options are and things? So they're like some general categories like navigation and Android and browser and things like that. And then, but it's really hard. So I think what we can do is we can use our hands to maybe like rotate, like, you know how Minority Report had that UI? Let me bring it up. Hold on. Minority.
I'm here to help.
This thing, yeah, this thing. This was before Iron Man, actually. They had this UI, yeah, where you can kind of spin, and spinning actually did interesting things in the UI, because they took like the angle of rotation between fingers. So we can kind of do that. So we can like spin and use that to navigate between.
That's a creative approach, combining
all of the options here and show you things. And then also another thing we'll probably lean on heavily is using AI to like show you what the options are, so that like it like intuitively shows you what the options are when you're in a context. Like when you're ordering Starbucks, it only shows you like what you can order rather than like browser options or whatever and things. Yeah, so we can do a lot of things there, but the problem is we have one update before launch. One update before launch, and so I have to do it all tonight. Well, I mean, I have to do like a lot of it tonight to get it in for the launch. So I'm gonna do like a basic version of that kind of UI manipulation thing tonight, and so, like submit it tonight or tomorrow morning or something like that, and it should be good. All right, so that was what I basically wanted to stream. I just wanted to show you guys how to install your own devices and help people set up. So if there's anyone who's like struggling with setting up,
I'm here
she said she hears. Oh, you guys can hear it. Oh, because it's going through the speakers, but I can't hear it. Okay, good. I get it. Can you hear me, Super?
Yes.
Okay, cool. That's there. Sorry. Okay, maybe it'll work now. Okay, Super, can you open Chrome? Oh, there it goes. Cool. So I can like show you the voice navigation stuff now. So before, like, the thing wasn't working basically. So you can ask it to click things. So like, oh, hey, Super, can you click the Facebook button?
I've clicked.
Cool. So it knows things like Facebook, but it can click anything on the screen. You can navigate. You can also do multi-step things. To do more complex multi-step things, you want to go to the Power Studio and like describe them here basically. And we'll get into more details into how to like build powers and things like that. But that's essentially how you do it. You just talk to it. You tell it step by step. Like you can say, for example, open Twitter.
Twitter is. Yes.
Like, let me log into.
Take your time. If you need help with anything along the way, just let me know.
Actually, also the other cool thing is you can click anywhere on this screen too. So you can control the stream remotely here. So I can just like click don't allow, or like we can click this thing or whatever, or this and like navigate. But the reason we allow you to click here is because it makes it kind of easy. It allows you to like easily log into your services, so you don't have to like fumble around with API keys or something like that. It makes it kind of easy to log into services and things. So okay, anyways, that's how you set up your own Android device. It's completely free to set up now, to set up your own Android device on the web version. And you can now get your devices online. Next thing we'll be publishing like agents, rating agents, social media agents, things like that. And so stay tuned for more cool stuff. Okay, I got to get back to work. We got the launch coming up in the next few days, and we have like maybe 1 day left to submit the last update before launch. So if anyone has any feedback, go to getsupers.com, try to connect your Android, set it up, try to connect it with voice commands, try to build your own powers, and get me your feedback by tonight. Thank you guys. All right. Good night.
Good night. Take care and reach out anytime you need support.
Thanks, Super.
You're welcome. Always happy to help. Have a great night. Just let me know if you need anything else in the future. Take care.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. I forgot. Yeah. I mean, I meant to ask if anyone needed help, but I think I asked a few times. If anyone needs help, you can ask me now. You can let me know in the chat or go into the Discord, and I can help you set up the phone and things like that. All right. Cool. Thanks, guys.
You're all set. Good luck with everything.